Hello guys, today I'm gonna explain about what is mass airflow sensor, how the mass airflow sensor work, and how to detect and clean faulty mass airflow sensor. A mass airflow sensor is a device used in automobile engine to help control combustion efficiency. The sensor basically tells the engine computer if the car is at the bottom of the atmosphere or high on the mountain top, where there is less oxygen. The sensor is able to determine this by measuring the rate of cooling for a heated wire. The heated wire's resistance changes as the temperature changes so the sensor computer is detecting a range change in wire resistance. The sensor is located at the engine combustion air intake. Pause the engine air filter. Lots of air mass will cool the wire at a faster rate than a rarefied atmosphere. A preset computer algorithm then controls the amount of fuel, mixing with the calculated oxygen available for the atmosphere to detect or detected by the sensor. A mass airflow sensor has two sensing wires. One is heated by an electric current, the other is not. As the air flows across the heated wire cools down when the temperature dip difference between the two sensing wire changes. The mass airflow sensor automatically increase or decrease the current to the heated wire to compensate. Now, how to detect and clean a faulty mass airflow sensor? A clean engine light often comes on due to a dirty airflow sensor. Now we're going to learn the symptoms of a mass airflow sensor that needs cleaning and how to clean it. Mass airflow sensor determines the mass of air entering a vehicle fuel injection engine and passes the data to the engine control unit or ECU. The air mass information is necessary for the ECU to correctly balance and deliver the correct amount of fuel to the engine. When a vehicle mass airflow sensor is faulty or defective, it can cause a variety of problems and result in a very poor performance from your engine. Symptoms of faulty mass airflow sensor. A faulty mass airflow sensor will cause problems similarly to low compression or low vacuum, and will also show symptoms similar to when your vehicle how low fuel pressure from a faulty fuel pump. Now here are some of the most common symptoms of a faulty mass airflow sensor. The engine is very hard to start or turn over. The engine stalls shortly after starting. The engine hesitates or drags while under load or idle. Hesitation and jerking during acceleration. The engine hiccups, excessively rich or lean in idling. how to clean dirty mass airflow sensor. Generally, you want to clean your mass airflow sensor either every 6 months or every time you change your oil. Cleaning it when you change or clean your air filter will be a good way to save both time and money. Thank you for watching and